Good morning students. As you know, we are doing the chapter number 4, business services, and I have told you business consists trade and aids or auxiliaries. As you know, for trade the goods should be purchased and sold. And what are the aids? I have told you, we have talked about the services are called aids or auxiliaries, those services which are being done for doing the trade. Okay, now we will understand today the types of services. How many types of services are there? There are 3 types of services: social services, personal services and business services. What are the social services? Social services are those services which provided voluntarily to achieve certain goals. Means there is no compulsion. If you want to do the social service, it is for the mental satisfaction and there is no profit involving. So these services are for the mental satisfaction, for the building self-confidence, all other things, and you will feel good when you do the social services. We can take the examples: healthcare and education services provided by NGOs. There are some NGOs, non-government organizations, and they want to do the service for the society, and we can take the example, they are providing the health services to the public and they are getting nothing in return from the public. Okay, when they are not getting something, they are only giving the health services, it means they are doing for the welfare of the public. In the same way, if some organizations are providing the education, they are imparting the education to enlighten the country and remove the darkness of illiteracy from the country, and they are doing very good work, it means they are not getting anything from the public. It will also be called social services. Okay students, now we will understand personal services. What are the personal services? Services which are experienced differently by different customers. It means this is depend upon the person to person. This is depend on the person. If some person want to do the tourism, it means this is their personal choice and they do the service. Some people are coming to the historical places or hill area. At that time they need the guidance. If some person is giving the guidance to them and they are getting some money in return, this is called tourism, and this service is a personal service. It is not being provided to the on the whole. It means it is giving to the person who is required and they are getting the money. In the same way, restaurants, if somebody wants to take meal, he goes to the restaurant and quench his appetite and he pays. In this way, this type of business is also a personal service. Now we will see the business service. This is the main we are talking about. Services used by business enterprises to conduct their activities. In any business there are different type of business activities, and those business activities cannot be fulfilled without taking business services. So when any businessman want to do different activities, at that time they will have to take the business services. For example, what are the business services? These are very important for any business: banking, insurance, communication, warehousing and transportation. If anybody wants to do the business without banking service, he cannot do all type of business. Suppose he want to give the payment, at that time the huge amount cannot be carried from one place to another place, and so they go to bank and deposit money, and after that they can transfer the money from one city to another city, from one country to another country. So banking service is very much needed for the business. And insurance, if we are sending our goods from one place to another place, suppose if there is casualty, fire broke out, is now these type of accidental happenings may be in the business. So some companies, some institutions give the assurance, if their goods is lost by any reason, they will compensate the businessman. Okay, and for that they take the premium. This service is called insurance service. Communication, if we want to talk, we use the telephonic service. This is called communication service. And warehousing, any company, any manufacturer produce goods in a huge quantity, and if they are not selling the goods right then, at that time they should keep the manufactured good. And where is the place? This is the place, warehousing. They go to the warehouse and keep their goods safe in the warehouse, and after some time, whenever they want, they can take their goods from there and they can sell. This is called warehousing. And transportation, as I have told you, we send our goods from trucks, from trains, from one place to another place, and this is called transportation. All these are the services, and these all services are called business service. No business can survive without using these type of business services. Now students, we will talk about the bank, because the first business service is banking, and banking is done in the institution which are called bank. No country can get progress, no business can get progress, no country can get progress without banking structure. This is very important. Bank plays very important role in any country. Anybody, what is bank? Bank is an institution which deposits the money of the public and gives the credit to the people who are needed. These are the two main functions. And except all these functions, all these two functions, banks also do some work of agencies. Okay, so bank also create interest in the people that they should deposit their money in bank and their money will be safe. In this way, they create interest for saving, and when they save their money, their money will be used for the progress of the country, and whenever they want their money back, they can. So banking service is very important for any country, for any business. We will talk about the functions of bank tomorrow. Okay, till then, thank you.